My name is Kapil Shastri and I have created this project for this hackathon. It is called NordGuard. So what it actually is, it is a Google Chrome extension, an AI that will track your activity every second and help you protect your digital information. So what it does, it will try its best to avoid any criminal attacks from maybe an organization by not letting your data uh, flood away from your end. So let me tell you how it works. So let me go. So this is a test website which I have created. I will test this later. So for example, if I have signed to this, if I have visited this website, it is a Times of India website. So now I'll refresh the page, and this is the live data flow. So what it is doing, it is actually looking at all the requests that the website is currently making. So these are all the requests that is made by this website. Since you have visited this website, all these requests are being generated, which may or may not be harmful. So the one which are in green color, these are not harmful. The one which are in yellow are requesting data, and the one which are in red are actually harmful. This is not a lot concerning, because since this is just a website where it retrieves maybe a few of your information from your email. But let's try a website something like this. For example, this is amazon.in website. Now what I'll do is I'll write my email address here. As you can see, this AI popped up. It says that I am about to write my email address, which, and the severity of this data is medium. Like if this data is leaked, it can cause me some damage, but it is not going to be exceptionally hard. Now let's come to our actual page. So this is a test page. As you can see, this is a test form which I have created. So what I'll do is I'll write information, something which are very private. So for example, let's try a card number, credit card number, or maybe a debit card number. So for the testing I have created, now see that it is giving me options to either block and clear this field. So if I try this on an actual website, then what will happen is it will just block that request. So I'll not receive that request. So sometimes if you have visited an anonymous website, you can just click block and clear, and the request will not be generated. So if I click block and clear, as you can see, it has cleared the message. It can also detect information like Aadhaar card, which is a universal identification number in India. So maybe let's me try an Aadhaar number. So see, it has detected this. I have entered an Aadhaar card information. I can either click continue and end, or maybe I can click so now. As you can see, what it shows is after I have checked out from the website, it says that these are the information that I have left behind, which can be harmful. So either I can go back and review those information, or I just click I understand, since I am aware that I have done nothing wrong which can be harmful to me. So I can just click I continue. Also, this is the dashboard. Like, let me open. So as you can see, it has detected 135 threats during the time we have used, and today's detections are 54. Privacy score is 5, and total website visited, it says 26. Also, you can just download and export this into your local system to check what to track the data, like where your data might get leaked. Okay, and this is the complete page. I have like zoomed out. You can also clear data here. So this AI is constantly tracking. Also, I can have this just aside, like something like here. I can have this here. So what it will do is it will just constantly, every second you scroll through a page, or maybe you scroll through a website, it will constantly track your information and all the requests that are being generated, and make you aware of what information might get leaked. So you can try to avoid visiting such websites or doing such activities. So please do have a great look of it and judge thoroughly. Bye bye.